Hi YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist. I got another unboxing video. Got this Keurig machine, and I thought, as long as I bought a brand new one, why not do an unboxing video and show it off? Okay. I got it at Walmart. This was $59. $59. I actually bought some Keurig cups, which I'll show at the end as a little extra. But listen, let's do an unboxing video and show you what's included with this. This wasn't the cheapest one I could have bought that has this cup system, but it definitely was far from the more expensive one too. Couldn't spend like a boatload of money on it. Pretty cool. I'm assuming this is directions. First off, this is probably for a warranty, I bet, or something. Brewer register. You register the Keurig machine either online or through this card. Here's some coupons for some Keurig stuff, for some of the cups, and then one for some Keurig descaling solution. I'm assuming that's probably like a cleaner for it. And then some instructions before using. Probably like cleaning stuff and things like that. And it's probably directions on how to do it, how to brew your first cup. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. Now they had 3 different colors. I was hoping to get the blue, but they didn't have any of the blue. They just had black and red, so I got red. Let me get this out. Alright. Now it is empty except that thing on the bottom. Removal of the bag. And then here it is. Looks pretty nice. Pretty fancy. That's how I roll. I'm pretty fancy. Of course, you have these tapes on here to keep basically it from coming apart while it's in the box until whoever the customer is that buys it. And I've used some of these machines at some offices I visit for one reason or another. I always liked them. Actually, I didn't buy this for, let me see this. I didn't buy this for myself. I actually bought this for my mom for Christmas, and we just give it early and stuff like that. We don't really bother for the day. So I asked her if I could do an unboxing video of this, so she said, yeah, it's okay. So this actually is hers, to be more specific, but she'll let me use it sometimes too. Okay, well, I mean, basically that's pretty much the unboxing video. I mean, there's not really much to it. It's basically not much different if you just unbox, say, a normal coffee machine, which is kind of basically what this is. It's just use cups instead of the other stuff. You know what I mean? Well, let me show you. Now, I thought there was supposed to be a couple cup samples in here, but I do not see any. Maybe that was a different kind than I was looking at. Bought this at Aldi's. This was on sale for $9.99. 36 single serve cups. So that should be pretty cool. I also got this for $9.98. Actually kind of got this for me, but I won't use too many of them, so she'll probably drink most of them. I don't know, I just want to try Krispy Kreme. This was what did I say? $9.88, something like that. And you get 18. Now the one thing I did buy for me that I'm going to try once in a while is I'm a big tea guy. Unsweet tea, that's how I generally roll. Okay, whoops. But that is the unboxing video of the Keurig machine. Any comments or questions? Let me know. There's three, just mention one more time, or actually I haven't mentioned this yet, but there's 3 cup sizes. You have 36 ounces of removable reservoir. And then it's under a minute brew time. So that's what, there's basically the specs of this. Okay. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. And please check out my channel. I do a whole boatload of stuff. Unboxing videos, historical places, museums, tourist stuff like Disney, food reviews, restaurant reviews. I do a whole boatload of stuff. So if you check out my channel if you like, I hope you subscribe. And any questions, please ask. And thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice day. Alright. Bye everybody. Bye.